See, in multicellular organisms, there are some parts which are concerned with reproduction, like the sex organs. In our body also, say in human beings, ovary and testis. But there are many other parts which are not concerned with reproduction. Those parts are called vegetative parts. And when reproduction or propagation means multiplication is through vegetative parts, it is called vegetative propagation. It can be by root cutting, stem cutting, it can be by grafting, bud grafting, layering, and even tissue culture, which is the latest technique for producing plants in a test tube. So, in all these methods, basically what is used is a vegetative parts. Have you ever seen a bryophyllum plant? It has very thick leaves because food is stored in them. On their margins, the leaf is somewhat like this. There are buds which grow into a new plant, and these plantlets can be removed and they will grow into new plants. This is also a method of vegetative propagation. This method has been really exploited by human beings in horticulture. Why so? Why horticulturists use this method? Very simple. It is fast. So, naturally it is faster than sexual method. So, if it will be fast, less inputs will be required, it will be cheaper, more economical. So, it is faster, economical, and then there are many varieties like say grapes, banana, guava, in which case we do not like fruits that have seeds, a seedless variety we want. But if the variety will be seedless, how will it multiply? By vegetative propagation. So, it is important in seedless varieties. Another very important thing about vegetative propagation is it is like a photocopying machine. You can create an exact copy like that of parent generation. So, if we have a seedless variety and we want that variety to continue, or if we have a kind of rose which has a very beautiful type of flowers, right color, then we want to only have that, we do not want any changes. So, in that case it is very useful. So, the thing is that it produces exact copies, no changes. These are the advantages of vegetative propagation. That is why I told you in the case of plants which are grown for their flowers and fruits, we want them to be fast, economical, we want them to be seedless, so we use vegetative propagation method. Now, this is what we need to further explore. Does it mean that in some other methods the copies are not exact? Exactly. In sexual reproduction the copies are not exact. Why and how is our next area of discovery.